Hey, Steve Baczek, architect for the Build Show. Yes, I am out at one of our current projects, and I am out here to talk to you specifically about a new product that I am using that maybe you have used, maybe you haven't used. I'm talking about Mbrico. It's a porcelain tile decking system. You can see it here under my feet. We're gonna get into the details, but they are an industry first tile decking system. This is certainly worth considering on your next project. So let's break down the details. Let's talk about how this gets installed, the pieces you get, the benefits of using this system, and then maybe you'll be using Mbrico on your next project. So let's get into those details. All right, so first things first, the aesthetic characteristics of what are we looking at. So it's a porcelain tile. It has a very strong coefficient of friction, or dynamic coefficient of friction, DCOF as it's called. And what that means is, you know, if it gets wet, how much do you slide on it, basically. So this one is really good, and I'm told that the DCOF is above that of those synthetic decks that we're very familiar with. So it makes it, I wouldn't say slip-free resistance, but certainly a very, very good non-slip surface. It is a grout-free surface. So you can see all of these joints. They are just spaced open joints. And what that does is it allows the water to filter down into the system here and basically be a total free draining system. Now, because this sits on a series of tracks and the fact that it's free draining, it's freeze thaw approved by Mbrico. So what does that mean? You're not going to capture water in there, freeze it, have that ice expand and crack your tile, move your tile. That stuff just isn't going to happen because of its free draining capabilities here. Aesthetically, you know, you can mix and match colors, you can do different patterns. I mean, it's kind of up to the design that you're in search of. If I come down here, I'm gonna pop off this one here that Josh from Stain Construction set up. And one of the things to notice about the tile is it has a groove down that side and down that side. The tile itself, it's about 7/8 of an inch. It has this reinforcing pad underneath there that makes the tile even stronger. That simply rides in a track. And I do have a couple pieces there, but you know, one of the things about this, we teamed it up with Evolution Steel Framing. So yeah, that's a metal deck system. And the Mbrico really works very, very well with this. And the beauty of that is you kind of have this lifetime system of surface and structure. So it is literally a system that we're putting on this house that the homeowners are going to be able to put it on and forget about it pretty much in their lifetime, I would think. Even though we installed it on the steel framing system, it can certainly get installed on a wood frame system also. So all of these could be substituted with 2x10 treated joists and 2x10 beams, and we could just install the track using wood screws instead of the machine screws that connect the track. But I'm gonna come back over here and I'm going to show you there's two kinds of tracks, right? There's this intermediate track and the end track, and the configurations of those, and these all come from Mbrico. The end track here, you can see there is no lip on that side. There is only a lip on this side. So that provides the closure that you're seeing over here, that the last tile butts up into that. Well, as the tile goes in, you're going to need to capture this tile and that tile. They have this T-shaped metal astragal, if you will, sitting on the track, and that actually captures both sides of that metal track. And you can see I got these samples here. I'm just going to give you the demonstration here of that sitting on the end, and then this one sitting on that intermediate. And then of course we'll have another tile that mates up with this and gives you that little bit of space there to allow some draining. And of course, the space here will be totally free draining as there's nothing framed underneath that. Now, I was told by Josh that along with the hard components, you also get this Forza seal. This is a sealant adhesive that is part of the Mbrico system. And what they're asking you to do is to put kind of 4 dabs per tile. And it's not to keep this adhered down, fear of it blowing off or that. You just want to put it down so as people walk on it, this thing doesn't shift at all, right? That it stays in the place that you place it down in, and you don't get tiles rattling up against other tiles, so it remains silent, you know, acoustically comfortable if you want to get into some trigger words. It's a pretty straightforward design. When these get installed, you simply put a screw down in that track, and you put a screw just wherever you have that joist. And so that connects the track, and then you simply, as you can see with the suction cups there, that you're able to just place it. This is the front deck. We have a couple other decks out back, and there's a few more talking points that I want to hit when we go around the back there. So why don't you meet me around back? We got 2 other decks, and we'll continue the conversation. So I'll see you around back. All right, so made our way around the back. Now this one is a very small little privacy deck. This one was at the request of the wife. So you can see we still used our Evolution steel framing. Yes, everything here is steel. This is an LVL that's wrapped in metal underneath here, being used as a girder, and then we have the cantilever. Now we're going to have a rail system on this one and a rail system on the large family deck off the back. We'll talk about the rail system there, but I think I just wanted to show you that, you know, depending on the scale, you can do this tile on small decks, medium-sized decks, front porches, and you're going to see the large kind of big party family deck that we're going to walk to around the corner. But that tile is just a really good solution for almost any system that you can think of. So let's go check out the big deck. We made our way in the back here, and you can see this is a rather large deck. It's 34 feet in length, 14 feet in depth, and then it has a little catwalk that takes us out to the garage there. This, like the other two, this is Evolution steel framing, and of course the Mbrico. The reason I came underneath here was you could definitely see the free draining capability of that tile system as you look up. You can also see that we have rebar on the ground. So we do have a proposed patio that is going to go in here at some point. You can leave that open and just forfeit use of the patio below. But one of the nice things about that system and that tile, it is free draining, but you can marry it up with a water managed gutter system, right? There's a number of gutter systems that can take all that water to the end, put it in a gutter, take it over to a downspout, and then we can take that to daylight and make this kind of a rain-free area that is also going to be in the shade. And I'll tell you, yes, we're in the northern Midwest, but today is a very hot day out here. And you know, one of the things you might notice about this is that even though we have this tile deck and this is 14 feet, those steel beams, they're only about 6 inches tall. So one of the things about that framing system is that you can have a pretty condensed deck frame there for older historic homes where you're trying to squeeze it in between some windows in the basement and maybe that first floor. Let's go top side. We'll check out the beauty of this, and then we'll close out this video. All right, so I was making my way up, but I wanted to show you this because both systems, the steel deck frame, you can see we have our stringers and all of those components, but more importantly, the Mbrico, you can see this is the bullnose, and we have it in our Cosmos, and we have it in our Philadelphia there. And you can see it is on every stair tread here. So make all of those pieces. One of the things that I like about kind of systems thinking by manufacturers is that they know we could sell a deck system, but they also know that almost every deck system probably has a set of stairs to it. So that having the stairs as part of the system solution, I think that's imperative if you really want to get me to believe into your system, which both Evolution Steel and, more importantly, Mbrico does here. They actually embrace the idea of stairs are always going to be part of a deck. So we have to have those pieces. So I think it's really hard to tell, is Josh really that good, or is Mbrico that great of a system? Because these free draining joints are perfectly aligned. So I think it's a little bit of both. I'm going to give some credit to Josh because he is an exceptional craftsman. But I got to tell you that to see this deck with all equal joints and the setup that we have here is, not only do we have a very highly durable system that drains, it is a system that looks really nice. And most importantly is it at least appears to be pretty easy to install. I didn't install it, so I can't speak from direct experience, but from what I can tell, when you have joints that line up really nice, clean, the other thing is, you know, the consistency of the tile sizing by Mbrico is pretty darn impressive. And the reason I can say that is a lot of tile manufacturers, especially sometimes when they're handmade, that you'll get them and the joint will, you know, constantly be jumping around because all of the tiles aren't exactly the same size. So when you get these lines that are nice and straight like this, it tells me that the person installing it knows what they were doing, but more importantly, the company that manufactures it really understands what they're doing, because their quality control and their quality assurance to assure that every tile is going to meet the same size as the last tile we used. Well, that's really important if I am the architect or the contractor on a project and I want my client to walk out on the deck and say, damn, that is one beautiful deck, right? Instead of seeing joints moving all over the place. But I started out this video by talking about, you know, I never used this system before. It is one of the, or is the industry first solution for a tile decking system. I got to tell you, we already have a couple projects in the works. They're on the boards, and I suggested this system. The homeowners really liked what they saw. They approved it, and you're going to certainly be seeing more Mbrico tile deck systems from me. The question is, are you going to be using them on your next deck project? I certainly endorse, go check them out, see what they have to offer, and see if they're the right solution for your next deck project.